Good evening, everyone. Confirm if I'm audible.
Good evening, sir. You're
All right, Ritika, thank you so much. So, okay. So in the last session, we had discussed cash book, single column and the double column, which we completed in the last class itself. So I guess everything is clear regarding the cash book. Everyone, anyone having any doubt regarding the cash book?
no, sir, clear.
Laviva, I think your voice is too feeble. I'm not able to hear you properly. Could you please speak a little louder? Okay, anyway, so let's move to the next topic. Today we will be talking about the subsidiary book. Okay, and yeah, let's start. Uh, so first of all, let's try to understand what is subsidiary book. Subsidiary book basically books other than the cash book, like the purchase book, sales book, purchase return book, and sales return book. These are collectively known as the subsidiary book. Now, see, cash book also comes under the category of the under the subsidiary book. But since we have already covered a topic separately on cash book, so apart from the cash book, there are other subsidiary books as well, which include the purchase, sales return, and the general profit. So first of all, out of all these different types of subsidiary book, we'll first of all talk about the purchase book. Okay. So see, purchase book is what? Purchase book is a subsidiary book which record the purchase related transactions, credit purchase related transaction. In fact, all those purchases that we have made on credit basis, such kind of transactions are recorded in the purchase book. So what about the transaction that have taken place on cash basis? What about those purchases which that we did on cash basis? So such kind of purchases will be recorded in the cash book only. Okay. So cash related purchases will be there in the cash book, but all other purchases which has been done on credit basis, such kind of purchases will be recorded in the purchase book. Just give me a minute. Okay. So yeah, purchase book means it is a subsidiary book which is used to record the transaction relating to credit purchase of goods. And if we talk about the features of the purchase book, so one of the feature of the purchase book is that it records the credit purchase of goods or goods traded in or material that we use for production. Credit purchase of goods or material not dealt in, such as office furniture, computer for office use, are not recorded in the purchase book. They are recorded in the journal. Okay, so the first feature basically says that purchase book only deals with the purchase of goods, purchase of goods that has taken place on credit. No other transactions are recorded in the purchase book. If we are purchasing any other thing other than the goods, such transaction won't be recorded in the purchase book. Like if we have bought office furniture, if we have bought like the computer or any other asset for the business on credit, such transaction won't be recorded in the purchase book. Then the second feature is that entries are recorded in the purchase book are recorded on the basis of invoices. Invoices means purchase invoice. Whatever the goods that we purchase on credit, for such purchases, we must have received some invoice. So on the basis of the invoices that we have received on purchase of goods, transactions are entered into purchase book. Then cash purchases are not recorded. Obviously, cash purchase will not be recorded in the purchase book. That will be recorded separately in the cash book only. Now, this is the format of the purchase book. Okay, and see, we have how many columns? We have 5 columns in the purchase book, starting with the date column, then particular, invoice number, ledger folio, details of the transaction, and the amount of transaction. Correct? So in order to understand it properly, let's do a question based on the purchase book. All right, everyone. So just a second. I'll solve a question for you and I'll give you the next question you to try. All right, everyone. So first of all, I want all of you to take the screenshot of this question quickly, and then I'll start solving it and show you how we prepare the purchase book. Done, everyone? Done with the screenshot? See, it says Verma Brothers Kolkata carry on business as wholesale cloth dealer from the following write up the purchase book for January 2018. So following four transactions are given in the question in respect of the month of April. By mistake, it is written January in the question. Anyways, so all the April related transactions are given in the question, and by considering all these information, we need to prepare the purchase. I'm sure everybody have taken the screenshot. Done, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, to prepare the purchase book, the first thing will be the column for the date will be required. Then the particulars, or you can also write down the name of the supplier. Or instead, you can use particulars as well. Then the invoice number, column for laser folio, and the detail of transaction, and finally the total value amount. Alright, so on January 3rd, first transaction took place, wherein question says that purchase, okay, January 3rd it is, April 3rd, sorry. Just a moment. So on April 3rd, purchase on credit from Messrs. Birla Mills, Kolkata, 100 pieces long cloth of 800 each, 50 pieces shirting 500 each, and CGST, SGST payable at 6% per annum. Got it, everyone? I think the transaction is clear to all of you. Now,
Yes, sir.
we'll write down first transaction took place with Messrs. Birla Mills, wherein we bought 100 pieces long cloth at the rate of 800 each. Okay, and 50 pieces we bought shirtings at the rate of 500. Okay, now multiply 800 into 100, we'll get 80,000. Then 500 into 50 will be 25,000, right? This will be total value of purchases will be 1,05,000. On this, Messrs. Birla have further charged CGST and SGST at the rate of 6%. So we will have to add the excess, adding CGST at the rate of 6%. So the CGST paid at the time of purchase is called the input CGST. All of you. Input CGST will be at the rate of 6% per annum, 6% of the total transaction value. So on 1,05,000, when you will calculate 6%, you'll be getting 6,300. And we also, Messrs. Birla Mills have also charged SGST at the rate of 6%, which will also be 6,300 on 1,05,000. Now totaling this, we'll write down the final value in the amount column, which will be 1,17,600. Got it, everyone? Is this clear? Yes or no? Please confirm if this is clear, yes or not.
Yes, sir.
Okay. On next transaction took place on, let me check, on 8th of April. It says purchase for cash. Okay, so this is a cash transaction. Because it is a cash transaction, we don't have to consider what we had purchased on 8th of April. Since it is a cash purchase, this transaction will be recorded in the cash book. It is of no relevance for the purchase book. So we will be skipping 8th April transaction. We'll move to the next transaction that have taken place on April 15, which says purchase on credit from Messrs. Arvind Mills Ahmed, 20 piece coating 2,000 each and 10 piece shirting 500 each. IGST paid 12%. Okay, so Messrs. Arvind Mills. Okay, so from Messrs. Arvind Mill, we bought 20 pieces of coating at the rate of 2,000 each, right? So 20 into 2,000 will be 40,000, right? And then we further bought 10 pieces shirtings at the rate of 500 each, which will be 500 into 10 will be 5,000. Okay, now totaling this, we will get 45,000. Upon this, IGST will be charged. So we will have to add input IGST at the rate of 12% per annum. Okay, 12% on 45,000 will be 5,400. Adding this, we will be getting 50,400. Okay, now totaling, we will now total this. Coming back to the question, See, on next transaction on April 20, it says purchase on credit from Messrs. Bharat Typewriter Limited, Kolkata. 5 typewriters, 1400 each. Now tell me, see, looking at the question, you can see that Verma Brothers basically deals in the wholesale business of clothes, right? Everyone, is that correct? So the thing is that on April 20, Verma Brothers have purchased typewriter. Tell me whether do you think it is related to the business in which the Verma Brothers deals in? Selling of buying and selling of typewriter is the usual course of business. Yes or no? Answer is no. Typewriter is not something in which Verma Brothers deals in. So any transaction relating to any other asset other than the clothes will not be recorded in the purchase book. Why? Because any other thing other than the clothes will not be considered as the raw material or the material. So therefore, purchase of typewriter won't be recorded in the purchase book. Rather, typewriter is an asset; it will be recorded in the typewriter's account. Got it? Is that clear, Ritika, Labiba, and Janab? What I'm telling you is that on the transaction that have taken place on 20th of April need not to be recorded in the purchase book because it is not related to the clothes, not related to the business of the Verma brothers. Is that clear, Ritika, Labiba, and Janab?
Yes, sir.
Ritika, is that clear to you as well? Okay, no response. So now at the end of the month, totaling the total purchases of the month of April, it will be on 30th of April. Total purchases will be 1,68,000, right? 1 lakh adding 106, 1,72,600 with 150,400. Total of this will be 1,68,000. Now, by 1,68,000, purchase account will be debited. Got it? So the entire amount will be transferred to purchase account, and purchase account will be debited by 1,68,000. Tell me, everyone, if this is clear or not. Tell me if it is clear, yes or no, everyone. Okay, so this was question number 1 based on the purchase book. I have some other question that you can try on your own. So I want you to try question number, just a second. Yeah, please try this question. Everyone, please try third question. Is that clear, all of you? Pratika, Labiba, and Zainab, am I clear? You have to prepare purchase book for this question. Labiba, Zainab, and Pratika, kindly respond if this is clear, yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Okay, please give it a try. I'm waiting for you to finish. Done, everyone? Ritika, Labiba, Zainab. Anyone having any problem? Tell me, everyone, whether you are doing it or not. Ritika, why are you not responding in today? Is there some problem with your mic? Because I'm not able to hear you, Ritika. Guys, you can also let me know in the chat section whether you are attempting this or not. And if anyone having any issues, any problem solving anything, they can also let me know. What happened, everyone? You guys are taking too long to complete it. Anyone having problem? Guys, what happened? Do you want me to discuss the other topic of the chapter or not? You guys are taking too long to just finish one question. Labiba and Zainab, whether you both of you are even trying or not. Done? Okay, anyways, I'm going to show the solution of this question. Those of you who are having problem, they can let me know. Because you're not responding anything, I'm not able to ensure whether anyone is doing or not. Okay. Labiba is saying we are doing. Okay. Do it quickly then. Okay, let me show you the solution of this question. See, for the first transaction on April 1st, purchase from Videocon India Limited, Kolkata, 30 color TV, 15,000 each, and let's trade discount 10%, IGST 12%, freight charges 2,000. So this will be recorded like this. See, first of all, 30 color TV have been bought. So 30 into 15,000 will be 45,000. Let me. Yeah. Okay. And on that, we got a 10% trade discount. So that will be subtracted, obviously. And subtracting that, we'll get 4,05,000 after subtracting it. And on this 4,05,000, we'll charge input IGST of 12% per annum, which will be 48,600. And total of this will be 4,05,000. Okay. Then on April 15, we bought from Sony India Limited, which is located at Guwahati, 10 color TV at the rate 20,000. So the total purchase value will be 2 lakh, on which Sony India Limited has given us a discount of 20,000, which need to be subtracted out of that. 2 lakh minus 20,000 will get 1,80,000, and on that value we'll charge input CGST and IGST at the rate of 6% per annum. That will be 10,800 each. So totaling this, we will be getting 10,000, sorry, 1,80,000. Adding 10,800 and 10,800 in 1,80,000. So some total of just a minute. Some total of this should be just a moment. Yeah. So some total of 4,05,000 plus 48,600 will be 4,55,600. And similarly, some total of 1,80,000 plus taxes, it will be 2,01,600. Right, everyone? Then again on April 20, we bought from Music India Limited, which is located at Delhi. 10 music system having a value of 10,000 each. So total purchase value will be 1 lakh. And Music India Limited have given a discount of 15%. So that will be subtracted 15,000. So after subtracting it, we'll get 85,000. On this 85,000, we'll charge IGST of 12% per annum. That will be 10,200. And totaling this, we'll get 95,200. And on April 30, again, we bought from Videocon India Limited 5 washing machine having a value of 15,000 each. So totaling this, we'll get 75,000. And we this time got 20% discount. So 20% of 75,000 will be 15,000. Subtracting it, we will get 60,000. And yeah, on this value, we'll have 12% IGST. And the sum total of this will be 68,200. So the total purchases made during the month of April will be 8,20,600, which will be debited to purchase account on the last day of the month. On April 30, we'll transfer the entire value to the purchase account. Got it? Is that clear, everyone? Tell me if it is clear, yes or no, all of you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then we have other questions based on the purchase book that I think you can try on your own. All right. So these I'll share this PDF with you after the session. So you can try the rest of the question based on the purchase book on your own. But now we'll move to the next variety of book, which is sales book. We have 15-16 minutes left in the session. I think we'll be able to discuss a question based on the sales book as well. Now, in the sales book, it's just opposite of the purchase book, right? In the sales book, we generally record the uh, goods that we have sold on credit. So credit sales are recorded in the sales book, just like the cash sales are recorded in the cash book. Similarly, sales book record the credit sales. Okay, credit sale of goods will be dealt in by the firm are recorded in the separate register called the sales book or sales journal. Credit sale of goods dealt in are recorded in the sales book. Sales of asset are not recorded. Now, this is very important. Only sale of those goods are recorded in the sales book in which firm actually deals in. So the main codes of business, what should I say? In fact, goods in which basically firm deals in such kind of goods when sold on credit will be recorded in the sales book. Apart from this, the second feature of the sales book is that credit sale of goods are other than the goods dealt in are not recorded. Only sale of goods will be recorded in the sales book. Okay. Now this is the format of the sales book, everyone. Now you can see that it is exactly same as the purchase book. Only this time we'll be using this format to record the credit sale transaction. Now we have this question, first question based on the sales book, wherein it says that Hema Traders, which is located at Kolkata, deals in furniture, have sold have these are three transactions given in relation to the Hema Traders. We need to record